In this video, I will show you how to fix auto-clicker not working on PC. So if you actually encounter this particular error, what you can do is you can verify first your game compatibility. Now, in order to do this, there are actually some games that disable or block auto-clickers as part of their anti-cheat systems. So make sure that your game that you're doing this is compatible. Now, you can also run the auto-clicker as administrator, but the best bet that we can do for that is to just uninstall the auto clicker from to our actual system and then just install it again. I have in here this auto clicker for sourceforge.net. However, click onto this download option and then wait for this to download in order to successfully use this and then install it as usual and verify if it's actually compatible with the game that you're playing right now. So what this do is it will reset the pre-subscribed settings that has been embedded into it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.